What's up guys, DJ Wiz NZ for Experience the Journey, coming to you from Vietnam. You've probably been asking, where the hell have I been? What have I been up to? What have I been doing? Where's the vlogs? I've been getting lots of messages, emails, people telling me, where are you? What are you doing? And yeah, I just want to come right and tell you guys that I've been just taking a break for the past 3 or 4 months, giving the vlogs a bit of a rest. And truthfully, I've set up this English center here in a place called Phu Ninh, north of Hanoi in Vietnam, and we have been successful. We've got about 20 to 30 students and they are loving the English. I have not been traveling that much because I've been teaching and setting up the English center, and I haven't even been vlogging. So for the past 4 or 3 months I've just taken a break, because as you know, with things that you do repetitively, it's good to re-energize, take a break from it, do something different. And that's what I've done something different, and there's nothing wrong with that. So for all you guys that have been messaging me, get back into the vlogs, where are you, what have you been doing? I just wanted to give you that short update to tell you that I've been just having a break, re-energizing. I feel great now. So I've been doing some cooking, I've been doing yoga, I've been playing volleyball, I've been teaching English, I've set up an English center, and I've been just, yeah, trying to get healthier. I'll tell you one thing here in Vietnam though that I've been loving the most, it is the food. The food here is awesome. I mean, they have awesome soups, pho, which is like their national soup dish, and of course they've got the rice. Rice is #1 food here in Vietnam, but my favorite is nem. And nem are these things that look like a spring roll, but they're quite long, and they've got noodles in them, eggs, vegetables. Beautiful. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update to let you know what I'm doing. Hope you guys out there are doing well. Hope you guys are making videos and living life the way you want to live it, and not living it on how other people want you to live it. Anyway guys, that's me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this short little video talking about what I'm getting up to and what I've been doing. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.